Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a story of bold flavors and simple cooking. A journey where tender chicken meets fire, spice, and aroma. Join us as we create roasted chicken breast and legs with spicy sauce, captured in pure cinematic style. For the chicken, 1 whole chicken, about 4 to 5 pounds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional, 1 2-cup hot sauce, like Frank's Red Hot or your favorite brand, 2 tablespoons honey or brown sugar, for sweetness, 2 tablespoons butter, melted, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste, salt and pepper to taste. Roast about 1 hour 15 minutes to 165 degrees at the thigh. Baste halfway. Shallow depth of field, oven light bokeh. If the skin darkens early, tent loosely with foil. Thank you for joining this journey of taste and storytelling. If this dish inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more cinematic cooking episodes. See you in the next story, where every ingredient has a voice and every recipe has a journey.